Hello guys, my name is Tobet from TechShrike. Today I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates from Excel. Sometimes you have a lot of data which you don't need, or you want to sort in a particular manner and you want to remove the duplicates. I'm going to show you a very simple tool in Excel that helps you do exactly that. I have some sample data here which I'm going to use. You realize that I am using Microsoft Office 2013, but the procedure that I'm going to show you is the same for other versions of Excel. Now, before you remove duplicates, it's important to note that finding and removing duplicates using this method permanently deletes the data. So it's probably a good idea to copy your data in another sheet so that if you ever need it, you still have access to your data. Now, when it comes to deleting duplicates, the first thing you want to do is sort your data. So you sort the data using the column that you want to remove the duplicate as the first level, and the column that will determine the deleted values in the second level. For instance, in my data here, I want to remove the duplicate names. But if you don't tell Excel which name exactly to remove, it will remove the first name of each duplicate. So to make sure that your data is removed the way you want, so for instance, I want to remove the duplicate in representative column, but ensure that I remain with the representative with the highest units. So what you are going to do, you just select your data, then you sort your data using two levels. I'm going to sort the data. The first level is the left because that's the duplicate I want to remove, A to Z. Then the second level is the units, and I want to remain with the left with the highest unit. Remember, like I said, Excel will remove all other duplicates and remain with the first one. So if I sort from the units from largest to smallest, what that means is that Excel will remove all other duplicates at any point where the left changes and remain with the first one. Remain with the first one. So after that, it's very simple. Just select your data, go back to data, remove duplicate. At this point, select the column that you want to remove. In our case here, we want to remove duplicates in LEP. So unselect all and select LEP. Done. So what Excel does is that it removes all the representatives after the first one. So it remains with the first one, and because we had sorted our second level with units, it means only the representative with the highest unit remains. That is it. It's that simple. Thank you guys. Please remember to subscribe so that you can continue getting more tips on how to use Excel in other areas. Thank you.